I created an infinite loop video workflow for looping music videos on my YouTube channel. This is not a ping-pong loop. As you can see here, a woman is standing with an umbrella in the rain. The rain falls downward infinitely. It does not reverse or go upward. This is still far from perfect, but look at how difficult this type of looping scenario is. Water falling downward or a car speeding on a highway are some of the hardest shots to turn into seamless loops. But you can achieve a perfect loop with no visible seams if you create the right A and B image difference. Here's an example. A car moving sideways. You can't see where the loop connects. The transition is smooth and completely seamless. In this desert car scene, I load the image and create a small difference in the background for the B image. This allows me to form a seamless loop while still introducing subtle changes. If you look closely at the car and the road, you can see how well this works as a looped video. Yes, the buildings do morph slightly. But with careful A and B image differences, I think it's possible to create a very clean and seamless loop. And for a music video use case, I don't think anyone will complain. If you want to experiment with this workflow, the link will be available in the description.